This tiny knob is actually controlling the brightness of the LED. But what's actually happening here? See, in the last video we only had high and low, on and off. But real life isn't just on or off. This is a potentiometer, and this lets us create values between fully on and fully off. Turning the knob changes the resistance, which changes the output voltage. You see, one side is connected to 3.3 volts, the other side is connected to the ground. But you see this middle leg? This is what gives variable voltage between fully off and fully on. But the board cannot understand voltage, it can only understand numbers, right? Well, inside the board there is something called ADC, analog to digital converter. Its job is to convert voltage into numbers. So instead of just on or off, we get values from 0 to 4095. But there is still a problem. Our LED only knows how to turn on and turn off. It doesn't know how to become bright or dim. So how can we get different brightness levels? Well, again, the board solves this by using something called PWM, pulse width modulation. So instead of just changing the voltage, the board rapidly turns the LED on and off. Think of it like this: if the LED stays on most of the time during rapid switching, it will look brighter, and if it stays off most of the time, then it looks dim. Finally, I just mapped this whole thing in code. You can find the full setup and explanation at the learn page, and that's how I was able to control the brightness of the LED. And this is basically how analog input works on microcontrollers.